Tired of feeling mediocre? Feeling stuck and frustrated? Well, don't just sit there. Do something about it. How do I start, you'd ask? Well, all you have to do is imagine, believe, and become. Imagine, like the dawn of a new day, creates a powerful foundation to help you get started towards living the life you desire. Believe, like the stars shining bright in the night, helps you define the mindset and attitude that will make a difference in your life. Become, like the phoenix rising, transformation through fire, helps you discover critical success skills that will help you realize your imagined success path. Learn how to use this amazing life-changing framework from the book Jibebe by Joyce Meyer. Just go to www.jibebe.com/discover Jibebe. Sign up for a newsletter and get a free extract from the book and videos to begin to learn how the framework can work for you. Start your success journey today.
Created using Powtoon.